it's Ayumi and Diana, and we're 3 Gems Tea.
Since 2019, when you helped us launch our company with our last Kickstarter campaign, we've been making your Oolong tea breaks good, simple, and fun. Now we're asking for your help to do the same, with a new line of botanical teas. While we were stuck at home for the past year, Ayumi and I reached for comforting caffeine-free teas more and more, and realized we wanted to create our own collection of straight-from-the-farm herbal teas with as much attention to sourcing and flavor as our oolongs. And so we reached out to Windrose Farm, set on 50 acres of fertile soil in the rolling hills of California's Central Coast. Here, Catherine Welch and her family are carrying on a 30-year legacy of organic and biodynamic growing. When we tasted their beautiful herbs and flowers, we knew we had to share them with you. And that's how the seeds of our new collection were planted. Literally. We've completely reimagined our packaging for our botanicals and updated Oolong line too. Our new tea samplers come perfectly portioned. Use 1 pot for mug brewing and 2 for Gaiwan brewing. Upgrade to full size after you've discovered your favorite teas. Our colorful new tins are made in a shop in Kyoto, Japan that's been perfecting the craft for almost a century. We've also collaborated with LA ceramicist Unbi Cho to create a playful infuser mug perfect for loose-leaf botanical brewing. She's making a limited batch of 30 just for a Kickstarter. Use the lid to capture the tea's fragrance as it steeps, then flip it over to hold the infuser basket when you're done brewing. So, why are we asking for your help in another campaign? Since the Kickstarter community helped us get started last time, we want to thank you with first dibs on our first ever collection of botanical teas. Windrose Farm is starting with a precious limited harvest to make sure all 6 of our new botanical offerings get the love and attention they need for that 3 Gems quality you've come to expect. We also need to purchase equipment for a new and improved packaging, which we've redesigned from scratch to be fully reusable and recyclable. After considering a lot of designs and materials, we decided to use aluminum pods for our samplers and tin-plated steel for our full-size teas. These block out light and oxygen, protect even our new super delicate botanicals from being crushed, and can be easily repurposed into something else delightful. When you're really done reusing them, they can both be recycled, infinitely. Last but not least, as Asian women, we'd love your help in supporting all the Asian growers and makers we collaborate with. We want to amplify our partner stories and spotlight their hard work and creativity. And more than that, we want to materially support them with dollars, so that they can continue creating and growing and bringing their important perspectives to the world of tea. So we hope you'll join us for tea again, and help us make your botanical tea breaks good, simple, and fun too.